please know what you're looking for when you're shopping online for your device here, for your PEMF or your terahertz technology. So the reason I say that is because I actually tried a product that was inferior to what we have today, and it broke after a week and a half, and it was a very expensive product. And so I want to make sure that you don't get going online, going on Amazon and find something you think, oh, look at this, and then you get it and it ends up failing on you or shocking you. That's one thing that can happen with this technology. So this is the Pulse Pro Plus from Healthy Hydration. And when you purchase it right now, we're actually including the 2 handheld wands devices here. This one is going to have red light, blue light, vibration, and it's for going across the areas that you have pain, and it helps move the tissue, move the energy away so it can free itself. And then this one is going to be used for your face or any kind of skin imperfections, even cellulite. It works great for us ladies on cellulite. You know, the chin area, if you have getting a little bit of a double chin, I know I was, and it's helped me tremendously. So I'm really grateful for these. But these come as a complimentary gift. Each of them sell for $249, so you're getting a $500 value as a gift. So this is the Pulse Pro Plus here, and it has 20 different levels to choose from. The average amount of time you want to go is in between 10 to 20 minutes, and you can do it every 4 hours. Now, it's very important that you drink good quality water, not just plain water. What I would suggest is molecular hydrogen water. And the reason is because when you put your feet on this pad and we increase the energy, we're going to experience a detox. It's a natural process that your body goes through. And sometimes people experience the Herxheimer's reaction, which is where you feel worse before you feel better. And that's because of the toxins are getting out of your cells and getting into your blood, and your body has to re-experience all those toxins. But if you're not drinking the right water, enough of the right water, then all those toxins are going to settle back down, and you're still going to feel the inflammation. So hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. This is the Hydrolux from Healthy Hydration. You push the button and out comes this molecular hydrogen gas. We also have bottles, we also have supplements. You can also inhale the gas, but I definitely recommend drinking the right water. And you want to drink at least a ½ ounce per pound of body weight per day. But before you get started on the Pulse Pro Plus, drink at least 16 ounces. Halfway through, drink another 16 ounces, and when you finish it up with another 16 ounces. Okay, so what you want to do is make sure the unit is nice and clean. Now, to clean it, you can use, from Healthy Hydration, we have a hypochlorous acid spray. Hypochlorous acid kills 99.9% of bacteria and germs, especially if you have other people getting on this technology. You know, your feet are dirty, so just make sure to clean it. Don't saturate it to get wet, but just take a nice rag and just wipe it clean. You can also use a household cleaner that's non-toxic as well, but just make sure it's clean. And then make sure your feet are also nice and clean. So what you're going to do is just put your feet on the pad. Next step is we don't recommend anyone with a pacemaker to use this device, young children, pregnant women, or if you have any plates or screws or pins in your ankle. Now, me, I do have plates and screws in my ankle, and I'm willing to take the risk. So far, I've felt great doing it, but it's really helped me. This device has really, 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 really helped me. Out of all the things I've ever tried, I had a severe injury when I was in my 20s that broke my tibia, my fibia, crushed them all together, and then I had to spend 9 months without walking, and I had to have a fixator pull the bones apart, and it was really a challenge. So because of that, I experienced a lot of pain in my body. So this has really helped me. So you're going to put your feet on the pad, go ahead and drink your water, and you can turn off the voice by just clicking this button down below. And you're just going to start out at a reasonably low level to kind of feel your tolerance. So I'm just going to go to level 3. And you can stay here for a few minutes, and you're going to start to feel it get warm. You're going to start to feel your ankles get warm. They're getting supple. And what it's doing is it's allowing that energy to come through your body. But if you have tight ankles and it's not supple, then your hips are going to be tight, your shoulders are going to be tight, and you're going to store a lot of tension in your body, which creates inflammation in your body. So we're increasing the circulation. So level 3 is usually a good place to start. You'll feel it getting warm. Now you can always move up. We'll go ahead and, I usually go around 7 to 8. And very, very rarely will I see people go all the way up to 20. That's really, really high. So usually it's staying below 10 is usually great. And then what I would recommend if you really want to get the best results, if you do know how to do meditation, where you close your eyes, listen to some music, listen to a guided meditation, get your mind out of stress. Because if your mind is in stress, your body's in stress. And so if you can sit here quietly or listen to some good music and allow the energy to flow, you'll get much better results. If you want to take it into like a workout, you can do that too. So what I'll do is I'll start to stretch my body while doing it. You know, make sure to go left to right. You can put your neck back, you can put your hands forward, but just be cautious because you don't want your knees to go together. Just because the energy, you want it to flow. So keep your hands open. I wouldn't wear jewelry. Just make sure that you don't have any rings on, and you should be good. Just sit here quietly. And then you also want to make sure to breathe. That's very important, to breathe. And those of you that want to release extra weight, weight is lost through your breath. So a lot of people that go on this technology tend to lose weight as well. And also it tones your body. So even if you don't go to the gym, you might notice, oh, wow, look at me. I'm starting to tone up. And this device will absolutely help you with that. So this is how you use it. It's not challenging. Just make sure you follow the directions and don't cross those feet and don't touch those knees and you'll be set. And then also go over to Healthy Hydration. Take advantage if you haven't already. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee. And right now you get these 2 wands, an excellent, excellent value for free. So go over there right now to healthyhydration.com and order yours today.